by Stevie Wonder is one of my favorite Stevie Wonder songs, and it's really made up of two main parts plus a little four bar break in the middle. But the two main parts are really kind of very clever and relatively simple. I'm going to show you how to break them down into their component parts and play them. You saw me just do it on a loop pedal there. For section A, I'm going to call it, which is the intro, the verses and the chorus, they all have the same bass line and the same kind of groove. The bass line is this. That's your bass line for the verse, intro and the chorus. The chords over the top of that, it's in the key of E flat minor, so you've got an E flat minor 7 to A flat 7. That's for the intro and the verse and the chorus. And in the chorus, you hit that accent. I wish those days could come back once more. Why did those days? And it's actually a horn section doing that stab, but hit it like that on the chords and it's going to sound good. The little funky guitar riff that goes over the top, it's not actually a guitar riff, keyboard riff, but on the guitar it will sound like this and it will look like this. Slide up to that first note twice. Slide up to that. And make it as funky as you can. Then that's the whole A section. The B section is the change that goes, you grow up and learn that kind of thing ain't right. The chords that go over this are really nice as well. B flat 7, C7, F minor 7, and then take that shape up 3 frets to an A flat minor 7. The second time round, start with the same chords, B flat 7, C7, F minor 7. This time we're going up to a B flat augmented chord, which is that shape there. So, that section. You grew up and learned that kind of thing ain't right. But while you were doing it, chauffeured on the side, I wish those... The bass line that goes under that, really funky as well. Start. That section, I'll put it on a loop pedal so you can actually see how it fits together, but that's your B section. The only other part that you've really got to get around for this song, and that's everything covered, is the middle section, the bit that goes do 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 do. So it's a 4-bar kind of breakdown in the middle, and going with the timing of the song, it goes like this. That last little bit. That's the breakdown section. That's the entire song. Let me put it together on a loop pedal for you and see how we go with it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you here next time.